Wow, this thing looks absolutely beautiful. My eyes, the rear is a 10 out of 10. Guys, listen to the sound. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh! Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. In today's video I will be presenting you the brand new BRABUS Porsche 992-911 Turbo S. Yes, you might be a bit confused because everyone knows BRABUS as Mercedes-Benz tuner. But now BRABUS is starting with a new chapter. They have recently announced that they are going to start producing body kits and interior modifications for new brands like Porsche and also Rolls-Royce. Starting with Porsche, they have one of the best models. I already love the base model. So this is the 992-911 Turbo S. I am a huge lover of this car. It's quick and it looks very beautiful. So guys, to celebrate the launch of this new channel, I've teamed up with BRABUS. I had a long talk, but yeah, we've decided to give away one of these BRABUS chairs. They look absolutely amazing. I love them, and they're going to give me 2 of them. One I will be giving away one of you. So if you want to win it, leave a comment with hashtag Team BRABUS in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to this new channel. Looking forward for all your comments. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue with the video. Let's go. So what they have done is they've worked on the entire exterior on this and the performance. I also did a video with the Cabriolet version where they also done the full interior, but for this one it's just the exterior and the performance. So if you haven't watched the video of that one yet, click the info box above. Let me talk about this car here in specific. I mean, the Turbo S itself, we are talking about 650 horsepower, but with this one BRABUS has managed to push it up to 820 horsepower. I will be also demonstrating you the performance of this beast on this airfield right here. It will be amazing. I'm extremely excited to demonstrate you the performance. So let's get it on and start talking about this car right here. First of all, the proper BRABUS spec, full blacked out, and we have some nice carbon fiber additional parts and the wheels. But let's start with the front. First of all, we have the turbo, the 992, the Porsche specific front. Everything is almost stock when you have a closer look over here. This is the new badge that BRABUS is presenting. As you have a closer look, you can instantly see the BRABUS signature stripes, which we also know from the Mercedes-Benz models, which we had on the so-called Panamericana front grille with the 2 red stripes. And for Porsche and Rolls-Royce cars, we have this emblem at the bonnet. And looking at the front bumper here, this is full finished in carbon fiber. All these parts have been done by BRABUS in Bottrop. As you can see, full gloss carbon fiber. We have the BRABUS additional front emblem as well. And looking at the side, something I really like are these flaps, okay? They make this car look extremely well. Talking about the side, I think this car is sitting on 21 inches in the front and 22 in the back. We have the BRABUS wheels here looking extremely well. Also, the car is very low sitting, giving this a nice look, very sporty and yet elegant. Looking at the monoblock Z Platinum Edition, these are 21 inches as I mentioned, with the additional carbon ceramic brakes, full finished in red here. I really like it, and I love the idea that you also have the same wheels on a G-Class and on a Turbo S, and they both look stunning. In addition to that, to make them look a bit different, we have a center lock by BRABUS, which is very cool. You can just tighten or remove it, but it's a bit hot right now since I've been already driving it. Looking at the side here, we have an additional BRABUS carbon fiber part here, all finished in carbon fiber, giving this a very sporty touch in addition with these bold shoulders. In the rear, we have 22 inches, in the front 21, giving this a very nice look with the additional carbon ceramic brakes, full finished in red by BRABUS. And now guys, it's time to talk about something that I really love about the new Turbo and this BRABUS Turbo S, and it's the rear. Just look at this. Wow, you all have to agree with me on that. This thing looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, I really love the new 992 Turbo, and this BRABUS Turbo S looks extremely nice. So let me talk about what BRABUS has done in the rear. First of all, we have the rear wing here. There's the base wing which you can put up and down, and in addition to that, we have this huge carbon fiber additional part done by BRABUS, full finished in carbon fiber, manufactured and done in Germany, in Bottrop. We have the BRABUS badge also here on the side with the flap. Moving a bit lower, we can see this BRABUS carbon fiber part here with the nice BRABUS signature and the leathers, which I really like, finished in red, giving this a very cool touch. Talking about the diffuser, we have a huge diffuser here, full finished in carbon fiber by BRABUS. This thing is extremely nice looking, gives this car and the rear a very nice, muscular and beautiful touch. Exhaust tips are round shaped, nice step design here again, carbon fiber gloss. Then we have the black gloss and the titanium exhaust. The inside we also have a nice structure here. All in all, here on the side, yet again, carbon fiber additional parts to make it look perfect. So in my eyes, the rear is a 10 out of 10. What do you guys think? Please leave it in the comment section below. But now it's time to talk about the interior. But there is unfortunately no interior modification made on this one. Therefore, yeah, it's a fully base interior spec, but still there are some BRABUS additional parts. The entrance board here is a full carbon fiber one. This is made by BRABUS. It's also illuminated as you have a closer look. The floor mats, the BRABUS specific ones with the nice red details. Gas and brake pedals also done by BRABUS. This part is even illuminated, looks very cool. And I think that's actually it. The entire interior here is the base spec, full black interior. Yeah, this is a proper daily spec, honestly. The interior should be stock if you like it normal, if you want to drive it regular. But if you want to have a more special and unique car, so you can just go ahead and let BRABUS do their works also in the interior. Just check out the 992 Turbo S Cabriolet version by BRABUS. They have redone the entire interior. It's very interesting to see. But yeah, let's just jump inside and start with the sound. So let's go. So inside the 992 911 Turbo S. And while I'm talking, there's a GT3 just pulling up right beside me. Just look at this. What a crazy looking thing, guys. Wow, I love this. And yeah, let's just stick back to this Turbo S. I will be doing a sound check for you. We have, instead of a start stop button, something I really love and appreciate is this literally feels like you have a key inside, you know? And also I love the analog dial in front of the display, keeping the Porsche heritage and also with the clock. I just love it. I mean, all the other manufacturers are going for plain interiors, full displays, but BRABUS is sticking to their traditions right here. So now it's time to start it up and give you a nice sound check. Okay, let me just lower the window first. There we go. And then we will be starting it up. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, but it's still set in the normal mode. Therefore, we will be switching it to Sport Plus. With Sport Plus, we have the exhaust on this Turbo S. So listen to this. Guys, listen to the sound. Nice. I really enjoy it. The flat 6 sound right here. And look, as soon as I push it, listen to the sound. This is so cool. This is honestly very nice. But as soon as we drive it, the sound is even crazier in addition with the performance. So why not start the drive? So we are now inside the Porsche 911 Turbo S by BRABUS. I'm super excited, guys, and you will be joining me today. We have an empty airfield and we can drive as fast as we want. We will be doing some race starts. Yeah, let's just go ahead, start the ignition first. Then we have everything coming to life. We have the key right here. We're putting it over there. And guys, let's start it up. I will be doing some sound checks for you, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay. The car will be now set into Sports Plus mode. There we go. With this steering wheel button, you can set from wet, normal, sport, Sport Plus and individual mode. We will be going to Sport Plus mode now. So the Turbo S is ready and so are we. The car is set into P right now, so stationary. We will be opening up the exhaust valves. You can do this by this great button. I mean, it feels very luxurious right here. And now listen to the sound. You hear that? The air intake. We have the engine sitting in the back, obviously, the flat 6, and We have modified turbos here in this Turbo S by BRABUS. Okay, let's talk. I hope you like this sound, but now it's time for the real fun. The car is put into drive. First of all, let's go ahead over here. Okay, are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh! Oh! I didn't expect that. Oh, I'm speechless. I have goosebumps. I literally have goosebumps right now. Oh my God. This is by far one of the fastest cars I've ever driven. Can you imagine that? All-wheel drive, flat 6, Porsche Turbo S, tuned by BRABUS. So the crazy thing on this is, I mean, the stock Turbo S is already very fast. But with this one, BRABUS is doing 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. 2.5. Oh, unbelievable. Unbelievable. So as soon as we auto downshift, let me lower the window. You can also hear the intake, which is very cool. You hear that? Cool sound. Yeah, because we have an additional BRABUS exhaust mounted on this turbo. So let's do a turn and then do another run. Okay guys, are you ready? We have the BRABUS crawler standing right over there. Guys, do you want a video of this beast? Please comment that down below. Or should we do a drag race against this car? That will be crazy, guys. But yeah, this is going to be the last one, okay? Car is set into Sport Plus and we will be driving and pushing it, okay? Foot is on the brake, you just hold the brake and then full throttle and then release it. You will see it now. Oh! Oh! No way! Oh my God, the steering is also very direct. The car is stiff. It's literally on this road here. It's like sticking here on the road like glue, and it's pushing you forward like a rocket. Guys, imagine if BRABUS would do a Porsche 911 Turbo Rocket or a GT3 Rocket Edition or Rocket, like a wide body Porsche. That would be so cool and interesting. What do you think about that idea? So all in all, guys, hope you enjoyed watching today's video with the BRABUS Turbo S, the 820 version here. I really enjoyed filming it for you and I can't wait to do more. Guys, do you want to see an Autobahn run where I drive this thing on the unrestricted Autobahn? Just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for supporting. Don't forget to subscribe to this new channel. There's a lot of content coming for you, so I will be back.